Nuvama, they've hiked their target price to 806 rupees. What's the thing? Okay, let's quickly go across. Let's see how markets have opened before I go back to Vedanta. In terms of the Nifty index, we're down around a third of a percent thereabouts. So some bit of pressure creeping in as was anticipated. When you're looking at the likes of some of the losers, we have Eicher Motors down 1.8, DRL, Asian Paints under some bit of pressure. Kotak Mahindra Bank, of course, getting adjusted for the stock price split, or rather the stock split that they were likely to go through. Which today, that was the effective day. ONGC Coal India holding up fairly well, but the breadth on the Nifty 50 index looks extremely weak. 40 plus declines for just about 10 or less than 10 advances. So pressure clearly evident just to kickstart the day off itself. When you're looking at some of the contributors, we'll wait and watch for some of the rates to settle. But outside of that, you're looking at the advanced decline even within the Nifty 500 basket to be extremely weak. There are 300 plus declines for just about 150 plus advances broadly. So you're seeing plenty of pressure across the board. When you're looking at sectorally, just about two sectors standing out. The Nifty PSU Bank is standing out. The Nifty Metal is standing out. Both up around a quarter of a percent thereabouts. I wonder if they can hold on to those gains. The Nifty Realty, the Nifty Auto, all of those seeing some bit of pressure. There you go. The Nifty Metal holding up fairly okay in trade. When you're looking at the Nifty Mid Cap, pressure also creeping in there. The Nifty Bank has just turned green, by the way. Well, we slipped back into the red, so it's just about flickering between red and green at this point. The Nifty Banking Index, no support from IT either. Negative bias, firm negative bias that the IT index is trading with in this very crucial earnings heavy week. The India VIX has spiked 2% odd, and essentially it's also the broader markets which continue to remain under pressure. The Nifty 500 also trading downwards by around a tenth of a percent. Some of those losses being shaved off, but mildly so, frankly. The Nifty 500, the Nifty 50 still trading with a gap down. In terms of stocks, let's talk about some of them. Redtape is down 5%. There was some chatter around promoter exit to a private equity fund. There's a clarification which has come on exchanges yesterday saying that that's unlikely to happen. Realty 1.4% lower. Swiggy down 1% or so. Jefferies continues to be bearish. In fact, Jefferies has cut target price, doesn't continue to be bearish, cuts target price. Bank of Maharashtra, on the back of those numbers and the commentary that's come through, 4% higher on Bank of Maharashtra. Spark is the other one, 2.5% higher on a Spark, which is Sun Pharma Advanced. NLC also up 2%, or Lloyd's Engineering up 2% as well. So you're seeing some bit of move with regard to some of those counters on the back of all of the corporate announcements that have come through. I want to quickly try and zoom back into a sectoral, because you're seeing a bit of a churn. You're seeing the Nifty Oil and Gas Index, the Energy Index also come into the green. So that's a positive. We're looking at the Nifty IT, which has cooled off in terms of its losses, just a few minutes ago. So very quickly, you're seeing a few moves which are playing through on some of those sectoral indices as well. Kunal, what do you see?
Yeah, it's a good start for the market. Good in the sense, flattish